My brother had a baby out of wedlock and he is a Muslim. Can we take care of his baby? If the woman he had it with is a Catholic and we don't want her to be raised by her and her family, what should we do? It's good for you, definitely. You should help him raise that child. Also try to give dawah to the mother, because you would want the mother to be part of that child's life, right? So give da'wah to her. If not, and she keeps the child, be involved in that child's life. Be around, don't just leave the child with her. But it's very hard to take the child off the mother nowadays. And it's not something a person would want to do, snatch a child. If the mother is willing to give the child, don't hesitate, take the child, inshallah ta'ala, take the child. But try your best first of all to give da'wah to the mother so she becomes a Muslim. Because a child growing up without a mother and without a father is a very bad thing, inshallah ta'ala.